Here is your warm-up 13 review. And the first one, you were supposed to look at Isaac and the house numbers because he's trying to find the house number of his friend Sarah. And it says that Isaac did remember that Sarah's house number has a 5 in the tens place. Which one of the figures below could be Sarah's house? So if I look at the two numbers and I look at the tens place, the only number that has a 5 in the tens place is 15,651. So you should have chosen the little sign that had the mermaid. The next one, remember you have the less than sign in between each one of these numbers, and you're trying to decide which number would fit in the blank to make the statement true. So I know that this number should be less than the next number, and whichever number I put in the middle should be less than the following number. So I have 1,259. So first let's look for a number that's larger than that number. Okay, so I know this one is larger. I know that 216 is smaller than 259, so I'm going to eliminate. 298 would be larger, and 1,129 would be smaller. So I've already eliminated two choices. Now I need to take a look. Whatever number fits here is also still less than the next number, 1,326. Well, since this number is 2,000 in the thousands place, and this is a 1 in the thousands place, I know I can go ahead and eliminate this number because it's too large. It's not less than the following number. So let's see if the last one is 1,298. So 298 is bigger than the first number, and then 298 would be smaller than 326. So 1,298 does fit in between those two numbers in that number sentence. The next one said you had the number of people who visited Myrtle Beach this past summer. About how many people visited the beach rounded to the nearest 100,000. So we're going to take a look at the ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, 100,000s place. Look next door. I can see it's just a 0. So this place value that we're rounding to is going to stay the same. Everything in front of that place value should stay the same. And everything behind it, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros should follow. So it rounds to 23,200,000. The next one, you had to think about which facts are related to 12 times 5 equals 60. So our fact family is when you can flip those numbers back and forth and make an inverse operation of either 12 times 5 is 60, 12 or 5 times 12 would also be 60. Or those division facts. 60 divided by 5 could be 12, or 60 divided by 12 could be 5. So you should have had B, D, and F as your answer choices. And the last one, you had to add those numbers to find the sum. 0 and 0 and 1s make 0 1s. 0 plus 0 in the tens place is 0. 5 plus 2 is 7. Bring down that comma to separate those place values. 5 plus 3 is 8. 3 plus 2 is 5. 2 plus nothing here is 2. Bring down your comma to separate this place value. Oh, wrong place. And your 1. So this comma should go here. Sorry. So your answer should have been 1,258,700.